Hello, what is up, guys? It is the Silverback, aka Parker, and me and my friend Jordan wanted to do another video of Fridge Hunters together. So we kinda, I think maybe there's going to be like, we're going to do like 7 episodes maybe for the first season, and then we might like edit those videos, label them season 1 and stuff. So yeah, we wanted to just do another Fridge Hunters video, so let's get to that, dude. It's so quiet now. So there's nothing to talk about.
Alright. Come here.
Oh yeah. This is the first one. Ready?
Here's your fridge.
Well, just introducing our lovely fridge right here. Just so.
You stay right there.
So what? Okay. You can't do liquid this time. You have to eat something. OMG. Okay, let's do this, guys.
You know what? I'm gonna try this one more time. OMG.
Let's see if there's any babies.
I'm gonna try this one more time.
No.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna try.
Alright. We're gonna. I'm not sure if we know the last 2 videos, the whipped creams and orange. What?
Feel something there.
Okay, dude. Oh my gosh.
You don't know why. It sounds like cheese.
I think something's jammed in there. Yeah, or maybe a grape.
You jam everything. You jam.
Maybe.
You jam everything with a grape.
Maybe it's a lizard.
I'm getting. Why is this in the fridge?
It's a cheese curd.
But why is it in the fridge?
Because I don't know. Like your shirt. Oh my gosh. There's uncooked bacon.
Let's cook it.
No, it's like you have to put it in the oven. That'll take too long, dude. It'll take like 20 minutes to make it. We cannot make this video more than 10 minutes. We already got it 2 minutes. So we gotta go test it, bro.
Straight to you. You got me.
Ew.
Ew.
Ew. Stuff is nasty. Ew. No. That stuff is mold. There's a white.
Oh, that's mold.
It's like tricolored. Oh my gosh. This is just. Oh my gosh.
Make sure you take a picture.
Dude, you're
nasty.
No.
That's why they call me moldy blueberry.
Oh. Remember when you ate it?
That was
Like a whole nose you ate a moldy blueberry. Alright.
Let's see what kind of leftovers there is.
Oh no, that's my dad's. It's lasagna from last night's sandwich. There she is. Okay. Ooh, cinnamon roast.
This is Parker when he was little.
Oh my gosh. It was me when I was little.
And then when you're older, you got a tub in your face.
No.
Your
Look
chubby
at
face.
Frankenstein. No, no, dude.
Come on.
Stream. Oh wait,
Dude,
no.
this will get so many views. This will get so many
That's exactly
views.
why I don't want you to take it off and look at it. So string cheese or
Hold up.
Skippy
Hold up.
peanut butter.
Let's show
Dude,
that.
that's my nephew. You cannot do that without his permission. His or her permission.
Okay, let's just make some bread and
that.
Skippy peanut butter. Let's do it.
Spread it. Spread it all over. All over. Spread it. Let's spread it fast. So let's do this.
You do all the work. I will talk.
Oh, fair enough.
Oh my gosh, no!
Tail! Let's take that out.
Yeah, have to go. No!
Oh my gosh!
Oh my god.
You're stupid. Trying to like protect my images of the past. Okay, we really gotta do this double time, Jordan.
Okay.
You like go.
Wait, how many pieces is it?
2 each? Okay.
2 each?
Or just 2? No.
Alright.
Oh, leftover peanut butter.
Why not just use this that already has peanut butter on it?
No. Use sister who. Okay, we seriously gotta do this fast.
Hold the bread.
Okay, hold the bread. Oh,
come on, doctor.
I can't be the most poor peanut butter sandwich.
I can't hold it that much longer. Stop spreading it so hard.
Spreading the boosting. No, you have to wait for it, and then remember the rules. That's gonna be mine. It's okay. Got this. Facial expressions and visualization.
Stop freaking picking it up. Oh my god.
Dude, just come on, man. We can't. Okay, just. We gotta eat it now really fast because it's already.
You go first.
Okay.
Just eat it as fast as you can. Just eat it as fast as you can.
We gotta move this over here. Because if we don't.
Okay, go ahead. You eat it as fast as you can. Mark, ready, set, go.
No, we have to stick it on our mouths and look attractive. Wow.
Okay, ready?
No, I got this.
One.
I got this.
Okay,
No,
okay.
together. Dude, let's do something special. Let's do it together.
Alright, ready?
Okay. 1, 2, Not very attractive. Stuff is nasty. Trying to not. Nick, can you turn it over? Can you like turn it over to this side? Over here, please, Nick. You're on YouTube.
Oh, that's great. Where's that furry?
Nick. Oh. Jordan, are you gonna watch?
Look, it's very yellow in his arm. See?
Oh, dude, the peanut butter. We were trying to look sexy.
Are you serious? You ain't playing bread?
Nick, I should do a good punches episode. 3 people? Oh, yeah. Maybe we'll do that for the last episode.
I don't know the piece of bread like that.
Oh my gosh. So, me and Nick, keep washing your hands. Wash your face off. Peanut
All I
butter
see
on
is
my
peanut
face.
butter going down the drain.
Reminds me of a webcam. Okay, so that is it for today. We're gonna have to clean the floor.
Yeah.
Look at the pieces of bread and peanut butter all over. Alright, so thank you all for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up or a good rating. Share with your friends. Share on Facebook. I'm trying to get myself more known.
Yeah, just stick some peanut butter.
In this establishments on this website. And so please subscribe. It helps me out, guys. Thank you. Can you press this on?
Subscribe on the channel.
No, it's the other one.